What is going on? This is Super Simple Fixes, and today we are going to be looking at a Schlage lock that actually unlocks without actually putting in the code. We'll see if we can figure out how to fix it, but before we get started, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Okay, so obviously when you lock the door, you need to be able to know that someone can't just walk up and unlock the door without some sort of a combination, right? So we have our combination, and for whatever reason, maybe the battery got weak, we changed the battery and it's still doing this. So what we're gonna do is we're going to punch in the code, and then we're gonna hit the button, and we're going to try one other thing. So obviously I don't want you to see us punching in the code, so just a second. Okay, so we're going to punch in our code. And then you're going to hit the top button, hit 7. And there we go. Okay, so now that we fixed it, what should happen now is that you can see that the lock is engaged, right? You see this right here, it's engaged. And when I turn it, without punching in the combination, it should just spin, which is exactly what it's doing. So now I'm actually going to punch in the combination. And you can see that the light is blinking and it unlocks because I punched in the combination. Now, it should spin like this, because now you need to, if you want to lock the door, hit that top button and it'll lock the door. Locking the door isn't that big of a deal. It's unlocking the door. So right now, if I am a stranger walking up to my door and I come up here and I spin this thing, it should not unlock, and that's exactly what it's doing now. So we have corrected the problem. If your Schlage lock actually just unlocks without a combination, put in your combination, hit this top button, let it blink, hit the number 7, and then you should be able to reset the whole thing. All right, so it will not lock without, will not unlock without the combination after that. All right, hope that helps. If you have any questions or comments, put it down below. Otherwise, have yourself a great day.